From the time you enter Dockside, you are immediately welcomed home. Conveniently located in downtown Charleston between the South Carolina Aquarium, the historic Fort Sumter Boat Tour Site, African American Museum, and Charleston Maritime Center. As you enter the spacious one-bedroom/one-bathroom Dockside condominium, you are greeted by southern panoramic views of Charleston and the Charleston Harbor. Do not miss the open floor plan that this condo has to offer. Spacious rooms. Foyer which leads you into the large galley kitchen and formal living and dining. The floor-to-ceiling hurricane sliding glass doors bring the outside in. You also have access to the exterior balcony through the generous bedroom. The Dockside amenities include 24-hour gated security, lobby, a club room, stunning library area, fitness center, gym, heated pool, secure parking, and the waterfront walk area. Do not miss the large owner's utility closet located near the front door of Unit. Also, Unit 5A has deeded parking space inside the garage, number 75. On a clear day.